everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is VPH. For today's video guys, gagawa po tayo ng reaction kay Vanny Fabiola guys sa pamagat na Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Rod Stewart. Alam mo itong kantang to, gustong ko talaga pakinggan guys, kasi alam mo yung mga old songs talaga, ang sarap pakinggan sa tenga, promise. So, kung baguhan man kayo sa channel na to, huwag niyong kalimutan i-click ang bell guys, para naman kayo ma-update sa mga videos na na-upload ko. So, this is it. At let's straight to the reaction. So, ito na nga guys. So, let's begin. Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Rod Stewart. Wow, bravo, bravo. Wow, ang galing ni Vanny. Wow, hitting the high notes and without any efforts talaga. Talagang very simply but brilliant performance. I like it, and talagang your blue lenses eyes. Wow, ang ganda. Talagang ang galing mo, Vanny. Talagang hindi ako nagsasawa. I'm not tired of listening your voice. Any covered song from you, hindi talaga ako nagsasawa. So, ang ganda. Itong lumang music na to, yung kanta na to, parang very old song. You sang it perfectly. At ganda ng boses mo. Na simple ka lang talaga, Vanny. Very fantastic. And na-excite ako dito sa kantang to. Your own version na yung chorus na I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Yung ganda, yung pag-chorus mo. I like it. Wow. Gusto ko yun guys. Sarap pakinggan sa tenga. And talagang I like this song, guys. Talagang very delicate and beautifully soft by your angelic voice, Vani. And I wish you all the best. And amazing performance, and your beautiful voice really goes straight to the heart. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo pag kumakanta ka. So, I hope guys you like my reaction, and please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to click the link down below, guys, for Vani Babiola, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell so that you will be updated to the videos that I'm gonna be uploaded. So hanggang dito muli, guys. That's all for today, and see you on my next reaction. God bless and much love. Bye!